So hi everyone, in this video we're going to learn about how to pass SQL queries on the OS console using some basic commands like echo and pipes. So we can get the result of our SQL plus queries directly on the OS console without actually logging into Oracle database. So for that we can use some simple command. First of all we need to uh, check that whether the database and the listener is up or not. Okay, so for that I'm using this one. So okay, you can see that our database is up and listener also up, so we are sure that we can do it. Okay, so first of all we need to mention the echo command. Then here in this uh, in the single quote we will use the basic SQL command. Okay, like I'm using select query and then mention v dollar instance. Okay, instance, then complete the semicolon. Then after that use the pipe. Okay, then use SQL plus as sysdba. Okay, and pass the result to a file which in this case we are taking as output.txt. So whatever the result of this query, it will get record in this output text file. Okay, then after that we can simply cat this output file. Okay, so let's try. So you can see that we are getting the output directly on the console without actually logging inside SQL plus. Okay, utility. So in this way we can do it. Okay, you can see that we are simply using echo. Then within this single quotes we are mentioning our query, then passing it using the pipe to the SQL plus. So actually I am logging as an sysdb. Okay, you can use username and password also to log in inside the database. Okay, and then we are passing the result to a text file. Okay, and then we are separating it by the using semicolon. Okay, and after that we can view the output.txt file using cat command. So in this way we can get output command. Okay, so similarly that for much we can do it echo. For example, if you want to get the detail about say if you want to get the detail about the db recovery file list, or you can say that uh, backup locations. So for that we can mention show parameter. Okay, then db recovery file list. Okay, then pass it to the SQL plus. Okay, as sysdb, then output.txt. Okay, done. Then cat it output.txt. So here you can get the result in in this format. Okay, so you can search for the location of the backup function. So in this way we can use it. Okay, so this is basically we can do almost everything using this combination of commands. Okay, so in this way we can do it. So guys, this will be helpful for you. Thank you for watching this video.